Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is another espresso goodie I'll be unboxing for my new Breville Bambino espresso maker. This is a espresso bottomless portafilter made by Morils, and I got this from Amazon for $39.99. Out of the box comes with the information about what they do and about their company and things like that, which is very cool. What I like about this particular portafilter is it comes in wood and metal chrome-like pieces. Right here it tells you how big is the portafilter, and their nice company name is etched, branding etched on the wooden handle. And here's the unique part of this, also shiny metal, very classy looking. This is what it looks like. It comes with a 54 millimeter, looks like a 16-17 gram basket, and appears to be nice. I'm gonna clean this up so we can make an espresso at my new Breville Bambino. Oh, cool. Also, it comes with a puck screen, 53.5 millimeter, and their branding on it as well. I'm not going to use this now because I got a bunch of others, but I'm definitely going to keep it as a spare. Yeah, I picked this up from Amazon for $39.99. and it has 3 years. They also make DeLonghi 3-year type, a Breville 58 millimeter type, and they also make it 58 millimeter for E61 ECM rocket 2-year type. I don't think they make one for Gaggia. Very nice. And they got their phone numbers and everything. And it's made in China, like everything else these days. All right, let's go ahead and get these cleaned so we can make ourselves an espresso, see how this basket works and how this looks on my Breville Bambino. All right, it's washed and all clean. Let's go ahead and put this on my Breville Bambino to warm it up. All right, also gonna grab a, this is what it looks like. I'm also gonna grab a cup and put it on my cup heater. All right, let's weigh 16 grams. I'm gonna grind the 16 grams. You know what, let's do 17. All right, let's put away our airtight basket. Turn off our scale. I love the scale, you guys. It has an auto timer. All right, this is a Sumatra beans, single origin, Kirkland. I got it from Costco. And I set the grind size to 10 on a DF54. And here we go. Get this guy started. Need to rip in my dozen cubes. Put some leftover. All right. Put my old portafilter here. Let's run an empty shot. Warm it up. Very cool. Yeah, guys, I only use microfiber towels with my machine, with my steam wand, and I buy them from Costco and stuff, Aldi, whatever I can see. These little ones are from Aldi. I think the big ones are from Costco. I'm so happy with them. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys use? All right, let's put our dosing funnel. Tap this over. Do some WDT. All right. Move the dosing funnel. Get the Normcore gravity leveler distributor. Couple of spins. All right. Let's put a 30 pounds pressure on this thing. Grab one of the papers for the top. Oh, you know what? Let's just use my Normcore puck screen instead of paper screen today. All right. Let's see what happens now. I'm gonna get this camera off of this chest mount so I can show you guys. Actually, before we do that, let's put our scale and our cup all warmed up and toasty. Let the scale up. Here we go. Infusion. Huh. Right off the bat, the basket is nothing to write home about. Could be the grind size. I need to work on it. But my grinder and stuff set up for the IMS basket I have, which is okay. I like the portafilter. It's really nice. I'm going to do 1:2 ratio, 17 grams. So, there we go. All right, let's put you guys back to my chest mount. Looks like there's some good amount of crema on it. All right. Turn off the scale. This. Huh. Here you go, you guys. Not too bad. All right, let's steam some milk. This is a D milk. I get it from wherever I can, Walmart in this case. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run some steam. All right, we're gonna do it Lance Hendricks style. Basically bring this up 40-degree sideways. Here we go. Two hands. Go in a little bit. Roll pull. It's getting warm. Getting warm. All right. wipe this puppy with our microfiber towel. Perfect. Let's go ahead and pour this. I'm not into latte art, so please keep your expectations low. I'll just wiggle it around. Oh my goddamn dog. This is it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.